What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to discuss the N26 Metal Card. N26 Metal is a premium banking account offering a sleek metal debit card, high interest savings at 2.5 per annum, and 15 free monthly trades for investments. With extensive insurance coverage, including travel and purchase protection and dedicated customer support, N26 Metal is designed for users seeking a sophisticated banking experience that combines convenience, security, and investment opportunities. Now, let's take a look at some of its top features. Investing made easy. N26 allows users to buy stocks and ETFs directly from the app, merging banking and investing into one seamless experience. With trades starting at just 0.90 euros and 15 free monthly trades for Metal account holders, users can easily manage their investments without hidden fees. This accessibility encourages individuals to invest at their own pace, making financial growth achievable for everyone. Comprehensive travel coverage. N26 offers robust travel insurance through its U and Metal accounts, providing peace of mind while traveling. Coverage includes emergency medical expenses up to 1 million euros, trip cancellation, and baggage protection. Additionally, mobile phone insurance covers theft or damage up to 2,000 euros. This comprehensive package ensures that users are safeguarded against unexpected travel-related incidents. Global payment flexibility. The N26 MasterCard debit card is accepted worldwide, allowing for hassle-free transactions without foreign transaction fees. Users can shop online or in-store globally while enjoying the convenience of real-time push notifications for every transaction. With enhanced security features like 3D Secure technology and NFC capabilities, customers can spend confidently and manage their finances on the go. High-interest savings options. N26 provides a savings account with competitive interest rates, offering users a simple way to grow their funds. With no minimum deposit required, individuals can start saving immediately and benefit from attractive rates. This account encourages smart financial habits by allowing users to save effortlessly while earning interest on their balances, making it an essential tool for financial planning. Now, let's talk about some of its drawbacks. High monthly fee. The N26 Metal account charges a monthly fee of 16.90 euros, which can be a significant expense for some users. This cost may not be justified for individuals who do not fully utilize the premium features or who could achieve similar benefits with lower cost alternatives. Users must assess whether the features align with their financial needs to avoid unnecessary expenses. Limited interest rate benefits. While the N26 Metal offers a competitive interest rate of 2.5% on savings, this rate may not be sufficient for those looking to maximize returns. After accounting for taxes and fees, the effective interest rate can diminish significantly, especially for smaller deposits. This limitation may deter savers who seek higher yields on their investments. Dependence on technology. N26 operates primarily through its mobile app, which requires users to have a compatible smartphone and internet access. This reliance on technology can pose challenges for individuals who prefer traditional banking methods or lack the necessary tech-savvy skills. Additionally, technical issues or outages could hinder access to banking services when needed most. In conclusion, N26 Metal offers a modern banking experience with valuable features like investment opportunities, travel insurance, and a sleek debit card. However, potential drawbacks such as the monthly fee, limited interest rate benefits, and reliance on technology should be carefully considered. Overall, it suits tech-savvy users seeking convenience and comprehensive financial management. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.